Alright everybody, this is my ugly stick saltwater spinning combo. You can get them on Amazon for I think $49, might be a little cheaper. As you can see, it comes with a couple little rigs, some J-hooks, bait slider beads, some type of maybe a 1 or 2 ounce weight, and a couple of different bait reels. Comes with a nice spinning reel on there. Feels nice and smooth. Doesn't feel really too cheap. Nice weight to it. This comes out to a pretty nice length. Just nice, folds up. Be nice to have on the bike. And then this connects like that. Overall, I got like $10 off with an Amazon coupon I had, so total was like $35 for me. Seems really nice. I'll have a nice review up once I get used to it, but I'm going to do a lot of this is going to be my pier fishing setup down here in Charleston.